important model for objective. Okay? Find the equation of the ellipse, refer to its major and minor axes are coordinate axes. And the length of lattice rectum is 4 and the distance between foci is 4 root 2. Length of lattice rectum 4. Distance between foci is 4 root 2. First of all, equation of the ellipse ఏ ఫామ్ లో ఉంటుందో చూడాలి. ఓకే, find the equation of the ellipse, refer to its major and minor axes or coordinate axes. Major and minor axes or coordinate axis means it is in standard form. It is in standard form, clearly standard form, that is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1. Here a greater than b, standard form a greater than b, because major and minor axes are coordinate axes. Ellipse is x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b. Major axis and minor axis are coordinate axis అని ఇచ్చేసాడు. Therefore ellipse standard form, a greater than b case. Next, length of lattice rectum 4 ఇచ్చాడు and distance between foci 4 root 2. From these two we can find out a and b values. Finally the equation of the ellipse వచ్చేస్తుంది. Okay, length of lattice rectum 4 and distance between foci, that means x axis y axis, standard form. Focus, distance between focus is 4 root 2, length of lattice rectum is 4, a greater than b case. Okay na? Length of lattice rectum formula 2b square by a equal to 4, that implies b square by a equal to 2, that implies b square equal to 2a, b square equal to 2a. Finally we can find out a and b values, a and b values, then required ellipse వచ్చేస్తాయి, small a and small b. Then x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1 form. Okay na? Length of lattice rectum is 2b square by a, that is 4, the comma, that implies b square by a equal to 2. Next, foci s ae comma 0, s dash minus ae comma 0. Distance between foci, distance between foci is distance ae plus ae whole square plus 0 minus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus 1, that is 2ae equal to ఎంత ఇచ్చాడు 4 root 2, 2ae equal to 4 root 2, 2ae equal to 4 root 2. That implies ae equal to 4 by 2, that is 2 root 2, ae equal to 2 root 2. Okay? Next, b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, squaring on both sides, a square e square equal to 8. We know that b square equal to, b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, that is a square minus a square e square. B square equal to a square means a equal to b square by 2. Okay? That is a square, b square by 2, that is b power 4 by 4 minus a square e square means 8. A square e square means 8. That implies b power 4 minus 4b square minus 32 equal to 0. b power 4 minus 4b square minus 32 equal to 0. Now here onwards factorization method. 32, 8 fours 32. 8 fours 32. Minus 8 4b square minus 8b square plus 4b square. That is b square minus 8 b square plus 4. b square minus 8 b square plus 4 equal to 0. That implies b square minus 8 equal to 0, b square equal to 8, b square equal to 8 and a square equal to a equal to b square by 2, that is 4. Therefore, required ellipse is x square by a equal to b square by 2, 4, a is 16, y square by 8 equal to 1. X square by 16 plus y square by 8 equal to 1. Okay. Here length of lattice rectum 2b square by a, 2 into 8 by 4, 16 by 4, 4. సరిపోయింది కదా 4 ఏనా length of lattice rectum. Similarly, distance between foci 2a equal to 4 root 2. That is required ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b case. Here a greater than, because equation of the ellipse referred to its major axis and minor axis are coordinate axis. Coordinate axis. Therefore, standard form of the ellipse x square by a square plus y square by b square equal to 1, a greater than b case. అక్కడికి సగం ప్రాబ్లం క్లియర్ అయిపోయింది. హెచ్ కామకేలు అవన్నీ కనుక్కునే అవసరం లేక సగం ప్రాబ్లం క్లియర్ అయింది. నెక్స్ట్ లెంత్ ఆఫ్ లాటిస్ రెక్టమ్ 2b square by a, because a greater than b ఇక్కడ a greater than b, 2b square by a equal to 4, b square by a equal to 2, b square equal to 2a, a equal to b square by 2 అలా ఉంచండి. నెక్స్ట్ డిస్టెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ ఫోకస్ a, 0 as does minus a, 0. Distance between focus 2ae equal to, given that 4 root 2, given that 4 root 2, ae equal to 2 root 2, a square e square equal to 8, that is b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, b square equal to a square into 1 minus e square, a square minus a square e square, a square e square equal to 8, a means b square by 2 whole square, that implies b power 4 minus 4b square minus 32. Factorization b square minus 8 equal to 0, b square equal to 8. Negative part తీసుకోం, because b square plus 4 equal to 0 means b square equal to minus 4, impossible. Square always positive, not negative. ఓకేనా? ఏ నెంబర్ స్క్వేర్ చేస్తే పాజిటివే కదా. అయి b square minus 8 equal to 0, that is b square equal to 8. Automatically a equal to b square by 2, 8 by 2, 4, a equal to 4, b square equal to 8. Therefore, required parabola x square by 4 square plus y square b square equal to 8 equal to 1. That is parabola. Okay? Second one, adi.